Welcome to Exam Sale, where we'll be discussing the Dell Isilon Solutions and Design Specialist for Technology Architects exam. This exam is designed to test your knowledge and skills in designing and implementing Dell Isilon solutions. In this video, we'll be breaking down the syllabus of the exam, domain by domain. The exam is split into 5 domains, each with its own weightage. The first domain, Isilon Solution Application and Design, accounts for 23% of the exam and focuses on architectural design and workflow optimization based on specific customer use cases and application requirements. In the Isilon Solution Application and Design domain, you'll learn about Isilon Solution Sizing, where you'll evaluate workload characteristics for sizing, differentiate between capacity and performance requirements, identify appropriate node types for specific tiers, assess the impact of data growth on cluster design, analyze the Isilon sizing tool outputs, and select optimal drive types and counts. You'll also learn about workflow and application design, where you'll map application workflows to Isilon features, design solutions for high-performance computing, HPC, plan for large-scale content repositories, optimize for mixed, concurrency workloads, determine tiering strategies using smart pools, and design for multi-tenant environments. The second domain, Isilon Data Protection and Performance, accounts for 22% of the exam and focuses on configuring and managing data availability, resiliency levels, and system throughput using 1FS features. In the Isilon Data Protection and Performance domain, you'll learn about 1FS data protection, where you'll configure Reed-Solomon erasure coding settings, explain N+M protection levels and failure domains, manage snapshot IQ schedules and retention, implement sync IQ for asynchronous replication, calculate overhead based on protection levels, and use smart lock for worm compliance. You'll also learn about performance management, where you'll optimize Smart Connect load balancing policies, configure L1, L2, and L3 caching mechanisms, analyze performance using Insight IQ metrics, configure file pool policies for performance, manage SSD strategies, metadata versus data, and assess the impact of hardware upgrades on performance. The third domain, Isilon Hardware Platform, accounts for 20% of the exam and focuses on the identification and management of physical node components, chassis architecture, and back-end connectivity,